Hey Siri, I'm going to unbox a video.
I'm on it.
Hey Siri, how many people do you think will watch my YouTube video?
It's your opinion that counts.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Today we've got a new package to open for you. We are going to take a look at the Creative Quilters Fabric Club. I was scrolling through social media and I saw an ad pop up for 50% off your first month for a subscription box for fabric or notions or something sewing related. So I decided to jump in and purchase the first month's box so I could do an unboxing video and see if it was something I wanted to keep for myself. The package, it looks like this. It's pretty small. It is called Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club. The retail price on this is $35.88, which does include your shipping. The shipping price is $5.95. And the coupon code I had was for exactly 50% off. So I only paid $11.99 plus the $5.95 shipping and handling, which came to a total of $17.94. You can actually see right there is my invoice. It gives me all the information. It should have been $35.88, but they gave me a 50% off discount. All right, so we're going to jump into this package and see if it's worth the $35 or even the $12 that I spent before shipping. Here is the package, and let's take a look inside. There's a piece of paper right on the top that says Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club. To view your free video class, learn to make a quilt from start to finish, or download PDFs of the patterns included in your club shipments, log into your account at annieskitclubs.com/members. So that's what you get. This does come apparently with a video series on how to do certain things. And then downloadable PDFs or patterns, which is kind of nice. Inside the box just kind of looks like this. We have a basic stitching guide. It's a decently put together little pamphlet, about 7 pages, nice quality paper. The font is very easy to read. It does have full color instructions, and it's basically a pamphlet for quilters tips and general instructions. It kind of walks you through quilting terminology 101, and that's kind of it. I don't really need this. I already know what it is. But if you're a beginner quilter, this will be helpful. The invoice that I have does say that this is a free item, so there's no value associated with it. The only other thing in the box is this package, which according to the invoice they sent to me, is retailed for $11.99. But I'm guessing maybe it would be retailed for more than that. So $11.99 times 2, maybe. It's kind of hard to tell with the way they wrote up the invoice. Here's the package opened up. We've got a few cuts of fabric, which we'll get to in a second, and a little pamphlet with a project inside. The fabric is Tunga Spa Day by Danielle Stout for Timeless Treasures. And inside we have our project. We're going to make a county fair pillow, which will measure 18 inches by 18 inches. And it's got about 7 pages of very detailed instructions, everything from cutting up your fabric and then subcutting it to putting it together. All of the instructions are very easy to read font on a quality piece of paper with full color illustrations. And then you can, of course, download a PDF version of this. So if you don't want to keep the paper pattern, you don't have to. You can download the PDF and print it off later, or just read it from an e-reader. They actually do call this a bonus pattern, so I don't think that this is actually considered in the overall value of the box, because if they would, there'd probably be a retail value associated with it. So I'm going to call this a freebie. They labeled it bonus pattern, so this is a free item. The box does not come with everything that you will need to make the pillow. In addition to what you got in the box, you will need 2/3 of a yard of coordinating batik fabric for the back, batting to size, thread, and then an 18-inch square pillow form, and then your basic sewing tools and supplies. But you do have all of the fabric you need to make the quilt top for the pillow. All of our fabric is only going to be fat quarters. Opening up that first fabric print looks like this, and it does look to measure about fat quarter size. Approximately 18 inches by 22 inches. This is print number 2. It's another batik that is also fat quarter sized. This is fabric number 3. I'm not going to open it up, but the pamphlet does say it is 18 inches by 22 inches, so we have another fat quarter. This is fabric number 4, which is another fat quarter. This is fabric number 5, another fat quarter. And this is fabric number 6, our final fat quarter. Final impressions on this box. I paid $17.94, which included $5.95 towards shipping and handling. The actual price for what I got was $11.99. If you take into account that the pattern was considered free because they labeled it a bonus pattern, the stitching magazine was listed with a $0 price associated with it on my invoice. The only thing that I'm really paying for is my fat quarter. Everything else I'm getting for free when I buy the fat quarters. As far as value is concerned, fat quarters in my local quilt shop will run me about $3.25. I know the prices for fat quarters vary depending on where you are in the country. So if we estimate them to be about $3, for me personally, it would cost me $18 to buy these materials, but with the package and the discount I received, it only costed me $12 plus $6 shipping and handling. By the time I paid for shipping and handling, I didn't save any money for these. I just got a free pattern in the mail. I guess the nice thing about this is I do have access to videos to help me put my project together, and it's really more of like a class type subscription box. They're going to teach me how to do these things. Would I have paid full retail for this? Absolutely not. It would have costed me $36, which included shipping, and all I got would have been 6 fat quarters, a pattern, and access to some online videos that walked you through how to read the pattern, how to cut fabric, and how to put it together. I feel like where I am in my overall sewing skills, I could have done that with just the pattern alone, and if there's a technique I needed to learn, YouTube is great for that. Would I recommend this to you? If you're a new sewer or a new quilter, absolutely. I think the video series is great, the pattern is great, and they give you a good selection of coordinated fabric to get started. And let's just be honest, picking out your colorway or your fabric can be a lot of the challenge. My husband's standing right over there in my eyesight, I can see him. Hi.
Hi.
We want.
What are we going to do? What do you want to do for food?
You want to go to Red Robin?
That's what I was waiting to find out.
We're going to Red Robin. All right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Husband and daughter are waiting to go to dinner, so I'm out of here. I'll talk to you later.